Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Monday market webcast. All right, so you can see the last few days, we've just been very small ranges, consolidating up here at the highs. This was after the sharp move up last week on CPI. This was Tuesday. So we have a holiday shortened week, obviously. Thanksgiving here in the States is Thursday. Friday is typically a half day. I'll be honest, I have not looked at it. There will be a webcast today. There will be a webcast tomorrow. Then there will be a webcast next week. And you know, I would imagine the tape will slow down a bit as people head out for the holiday. So as we go into this, the things I really want to stress this week are: don't overtrade. Take your profits, take your opportunities where you find them. Today is an opportunity to be a real directional day. I think it'll be a little choppier tomorrow. Wednesday, maybe we can get some kind of a move. And then, you know, Friday, we shall see. I wouldn't read too much into Friday. With things consolidating the way they are, and here I'll show you the hourly chart. So it's just another, you know, we had a consolidation. We thought that was tight. We hop up on CPI, and, you know, I can run this all the way back to here. You're talking about consolidation, 2 hours of excitement, and then consolidation. And they've run it up a bit. You know, there's some false breakouts, false breakdowns, but, you know, we're trading right on top of the hourly mid-band right now. Right now we're trading 27.25. You got your hourly mid-band trading 25.5, call it. Daily pivots at 25.33. Volume weighted average price 26, 5-minute mid 26.75, proprietary moving average is 28.5. So you've got very truncated price situation, and these are hourly candles. This is not a 1-minute chart. These are hourly candles, not doing much. Your Bollinger bandwidth is, you know, limited. It is 0.3. That's tight. Now, we're coming out of Globex, but I guess what I'm trying to say is if it wants to break out and move, it'll be pretty obvious. I would not anticipate breakouts and breakdowns this week because you're just going to overtrade. You're going to get chopped up, and then when it actually does move, whether that's this week or next week, you're going to be, you know, mentally drained and capitally cut up and not want to participate, and then you're going to miss it. And that's when you get, you know, your brain goes to jello and you get all emo, and we don't need that. Nobody does. And I've said this before during the holidays. It won't be the last time I say it. You know, at least, you know, and I'm speaking to subscribers. We don't outperform for 11 months to overtrade, do something stupid, and wreck our holiday. It's not what we do. And we're not going to do it this week either. So we'll take what the market gives us. Hopefully we'll hit all of our metrics, and then, you know, we'll see what happens. But with hourly candles like that, you can't walk into it expecting, you know, big old volatility. The nice part is with a consolidation, with a compression like that, you're going to get expansion. And when something expands like that, there'll be plenty of time and plenty of handles to get involved. You don't have to guess which way it's going to expand. I would avoid that at all costs. That's all I've got to say. I mean, there's not a lot to say. We're jammed up in here. It'll move when it's ready. Don't get torn up trying to guess which way it's going to go. All right, have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.